The tick-tick-tick of the old kitchen timer filled the air as flour-dusted hands set it for 20 minutes. Chocolate chip cookies for the grandkids. For 40 years, those same hands had twisted that dial countless times. Sunday roasts, birthday cakes, holiday pies. The timer witnessed first steps in the kitchen, teenagers sneaking midnight snacks, anniversary dinners. Its steady rhythm marked every precious moment. Until one quiet Tuesday, the ticking stopped. She sat alone at the empty table, realizing it hadn't just been counting cooking time. It had been counting down their life together. Gently, she placed the silent timer in a memory box. Some things hold entire lifetimes.